guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you my March update for the Deck of Panning Project Pan. So if you want to see all the progress that I've made and the rollouts that we have, then let's get right on into it. This was created by Emily and Max, who's listed down below, as well as all the details. But this is where you use a deck of cards to pick prompts from a game board that shuffles monthly. Face cards stay the same all year long, and this goes from January 20th of this year to December 20th of this year. You start with 5 prompts, and it's rolling style from there. So, the very first prompt I got was the Joker. Are you joking me? It was a little ridiculous. So for my Joker, I pulled in this Kulfi concealer, and I want to finish it. It's a serum concealer. It's got skincare properties in it. I got it from BoxyCharm. It's not super old. It's only like a year old in my collection, but still, it's one that I want to finish. Still smells fine. Doesn't have a scent at all, but it has windowing. Not that you can really see it currently, but it has windowing here about halfway. I used it 3 times in February, and I've used it 4 times so far in March for a total of 8 uses. I did have a couple other concealers that I was getting usage goals on, so I'm just happy this has gotten some use. This might be in all year long, so we're just going to be tracking our usage on this guy. Then our first rollout, which I don't get to draw on a card for because it was part of my pickup 2, is for the 5 of clubs, which at the time was metallic. So I brought in this liner. As you can see, the writing on it's metallic, the lid is metallic. The eyeliner itself is not. The eyeliner is just a brown. This is from Lava or Lava. And this is just a brown gel pencil eyeliner. And I used it 2 out of my 9 times and decided on the 18th of February that I was decluttering this. It does not go in my waterline. It will not lay down. There's no color payoff that comes off on this guy. Like when you do a swatch, I get color. But on my waterline, which is where I wear gel pencils because I'm not going to do a wing with a pencil like that. And I don't even think it would go over eyeshadow, but in my waterline, it just doesn't deposit color. I tried it twice. I'm decluttering this. So declutters for me count as a goal met, but I cannot roll in a new prompt for that because it was part of my pickup 2 and I did not reach my goal on my other pickup 2 item. So that is okay. The other part of my pickup 2 was the 6 of hearts, which at the time was Match's shirt, and my shirt had flowers on it. It was black with green and yellow flowers. So I chose to pull in from the yellow on that shirt my Kaleidos Solar Sailor highlighter. It is like a white gold. It is gorgeous. I've used this once, 1 out of 7 times, but I have just now cut down how many highlighters I'm working on, so hopefully this will get some more use in the coming month. But yeah, can't roll that prompt out until I roll this guy out, so need to get using it. For the 5 of hearts, that was favorite color, and my favorite color is orange. More of a burnt orange than this like coral color, but orange nevertheless. So I brought in this Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Tangerine Queen is the shade. It like perfectly matches the shirt. And I had a 10 use goal on this guy, which is wild, and I've used it once. And I don't think I like this shade, to be honest with you, but I'm going to give it some more love. I'm going to give it some more tries. I have 1 use on it, and I'm just happy to have gotten a use on it. But we do have 2 other rollouts, and we'll be able to roll in 2 cards. So there is that. For the 8 of diamonds, that was color, and I will throw up the color that I got. It was this like pearl gray. So I rolled in this silvery color because that was close enough for me. And this is the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax, which is just a like whitish clear brow wax. I actually really enjoy this. I like this much better than the Benefit, the other brow gel, the brow gel that they have. I like this much better. I only had a 3-use goal on this guy, and so I met my goal on the 19th of February. I got all 3 uses in February. So this is a goal met and a roll out. And now I can start using it again. Boom. And then the 2 of clubs, which was wild card, which you could bring in literally anything from your collection. So I really wanted to work on my fluffy pudding bronzer from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Beige Please. And I hope you can see like the brush strokes in there because I did use it. I had a 6-use goal on this guy. I used it all 6 times in February, and I met my goal on February 23rd. And I have to say I prefer the blush over this formula. I just don't think this formula works great for a bronzer, but I just also feel like I don't have the right brush that I would want to use, because the brush that I use for the blush works great, fits in here great, love it, but I don't have the same style of brush that I can use for this. I need to go buy one is what I'm saying. And I bought a little brush from e.l.f. thinking that that would work. I bought their putty brush. That does not work great with this. It makes it patchy and everything. So I just need a better brush for that little guy. But we have 2 rollouts. I thought I had 3 rollouts. I think I wrote down that we were rolling in 3 things. We're only rolling in 2. Because I forgot that that was part of pickup 2. So 2 rollouts, 2 roll-ins. I will throw up the game board while I shuffle my cards. Let me show you. My Joker is still in here. I already know what I will be rolling in if I get the Joker again. So I'm first going to throw up the face cards, which stay the same all year long. But just in case you haven't seen them, they're on the board, they're on the screen now, so you can take a look at those. And then we can throw up the game board for this month, which I have not even looked at. Let's see, let me pull it up on my end as well. I would love to pull in Oh the Shame because I have a bunch of products that I haven't used yet. Matches Eye Color would be cool. Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy would be cool. I don't know what Cloud Dancer is, so like that would be fun. Pencil. We're not going to say things that we don't want. Came in a set would be nice. Matches Nails. I have like a teal on my nail. My nails need to be redone, but I have a teal on my nails. So you guys have seen the boards. I'm going to give this like 1 more shuffle, and then we're going to pull the top 2 cards. All right. The very top card is the 7 of Hearts, which is the fighter pilot. Because I use the villain cards from Star Wars. So, the 7 of Hearts, which is influenced. So, something you are influenced to buy, which we could say is my whole collection. So, that shouldn't be too hard. And the next top card is the 10 of Diamonds, which this guy is Maz Ameda. You look weird. I don't like how you look. The 10 of Diamonds, which is Cloud Dancer. So I'm going to have to look up what Cloud Dancer is. So let's do that really fast. Prompts key. Cloud Dancer. Color of the year. Similar shade, name, product, packaging. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what the Pantone color of the year is. So let me look that up. Pantone Color of the Year 2026 is Cloud Dancer. Oh, so it's just this white. So Pantone Color of the Year is this shade. This white. So it's a slightly warm off-white. Okay. So I'll have to pick something that color and then something that I was influenced. Let me go find those products and I will be right back. All right, I have my products and let's see how many times we're going to use them. So for influenced, I'm bringing in, I just got this into my collection. It's the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. When this first came out, everybody was hyping it up. Every influencer, everybody on my For You page said that this was an amazing foundation. So I was definitely influenced. I got this at Marshall's and I have the shade 0N1 Silk, which looks like this. I think especially for a Marshall's find, I got a really good shade. It's a little light. But once I have bronzer on, blush, highlighter, all of that, I think it's gonna be fine. Plus, it's not gonna be that concentrated on my face. So let's see how many times I have to use this foundation. 2 uses. It's not too shabby. And then for Cloud Dancer, that one was really hard because I was trying to pick something that was that slightly warm off-white. So I'm going with this Rare Beauty mascara because it is more, like when you're looking at the white difference, it's more warm. Like I couldn't find something that was warm because originally I was going to pick this Ofra powder, but like if you look at the difference, this is white. And I really wanted it to be that warm white, and so this is, it's almost a cream color, but we're just gonna go with it. I got it as close as I could. This is what the mascara wand looks like. This is just a mini, but let's see how many times it wants me to use it. I was gonna put it into finish, but that could take me a while, so we're just gonna put a usage goal on it because I want this to be a rollover project. 5 uses, so 5 more days of use because I'm wearing it today. 5 uses. I can do that. So those are the 2 products that I'm bringing in. We have all the products that are still rolling over. Hopefully next month I'll have Solar Sailor to roll out so we can roll in a prompt for the pickup too. But couldn't roll in something today for it, and that's okay. But that is going to do it for my Deck of Panning update for March. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!